angle, this is Jimmy Lyon! Participant number 2, fighting out of Centralia, shooting up at the weight of 200 pounds. He is the instrument of violence. Participant number 3, fighting out of Island Park, New Jersey. With an open weight of 320 pounds, this is Jeff
And here we are, one of the featured attractions, the Unlucky 13. Now it is the man who has penetrated with the staple. The man who has penetrated the 13th time with the staple.
Yes, the man who administers the 13th staple, no matter on which opponent, becomes the winner.
You know what? Watching the first round, those people ain't nothing compared to me. I don't need this crap. Why don't we just wrestle?
Jimmy Lyon. If you paid attention to his social media, he was talking, saying he was going to bring the Southern brand of violence to OnPoint Wrestling, and now he just wants to wrestle.
Jimmy, you want to see some wrestling? You want to do some wrestling? Yeah, I want to do some wrestling. Fuck that! Bring out some more points!
Oh. I see a crutch, I see carpet stripping.
And there's a board with a gusset plate on there.
Well, I'd say that this backfired for Jimmy Lyon, as perhaps
much like everything else in life for Jimmy Lyon.
Well, he finally got to OnPoint Wrestling.
Yeah, and look where he's at.
And an Unlucky 13 staple gun match, that's for sure.
Getting clobbered by Conor Claxton, now by Jeff Cannonball.
And we've seen Cannonball go through some torturous matches, tie-pay death matches with the Bulldozer Matt Tremont.
Conor Claxton, he's got the right idea.
Just staying out of there. If you're not in the ring, if you're not around the other two, you're not going to get stapled.
Well, not only that, but he's swinging out of a bottle of Captain Morgan.
Oh.
Numbing the pain before it even gets there.
What's he got there?
Dollar bill.
Oh, they're going to go, and that is number 1. That's number 1.
Oh, that hurts so bad!
It didn't take too long. It looks like the fans are ready and willing.
Trash can lid!
Oh, trash can lid off the apron! And now Cannonball. What's Cannonball doing? Cannonball going after Jimmy Lyon with the trash can lid as well. Oh! My God! Man down, Jimmy Lyon. And it looks like that this is some type of unholy alliance between Cannonball and Claxton.
But try like a little harder though. Jimmy to it.
Oh! And another shot. That's 3 unanswered shots at this point.
Like that. That wasn't bad, right?
From Claxton and Cannonball. All they need to do is just punch 12 more times. Oh, and now Claxton has a chair. I guess a trash can lid wasn't enough.
Oh!
Oh, just ripped out. Oh.
How about the chair?
This is not going to be pretty. looks like he got underneath the swing. Smart move there by Jimmy Lyon. And it's fight or flight, and he is fighting. Oh, big kick to the midsection of Jeff Cannonball.
Damn, that hurt.
And now Jimmy Lyon, he's getting some plunder in his hand. Oh, and that's a receipt there. And Cannonball says, well, hey, oh, and now what? Poke him right in the eye. Jimmy Lyon showing some action here for this type of violence. Shot low now. Chair shot right to the back. Now Cannonball is on the opposite side of the ring, finding some plunder. Claxton! Oh! Right on the back.
I'll tell you what, you know I'm supposed to talk during these things, but I'm just sitting back and doing this.
That way, it seems like just like the punishment that Jimmy Lyon is experiencing here.
Oh, it's my favorite.
Oh, and it looks like Conor Claxton has been busted open, and Jimmy Lyon going right after that wound, just tearing at it. And what's going on here? Cannonball constructing something on the opposite side. Not sure if our cameras have picked it up quite yet. And now Jimmy Lyon swinging. And he's bringing Conor Claxton over here where Cannonball has been getting a degree in wrestling engineering. It is the University of Phoenix does offer that, by the way. And now Claxton looking at the nice construction, and Cannonball going after Jimmy Lyon yet again.
Here you go, get him, Conor.
He punched him in the face like 3 times.
One more time.
Like that.
Here we go.
Jimmy Lyon, I will say, oh no, what are they doing? Now that's number 2, if I'm not mistaken. That's number 2. Jimmy Lyon is giving us, that's number 3.
Who's got him? Who wants
On the posterior.
Come on, who wants some?
And it looks like they're getting the fans involved.
You know, a kick me sign. I just put it together.
It's a kick me sign?
Yeah.
On the posterior.
Still on the way.
Big headbutt from Cannonball. Jimmy Lyon, he's just trying to recover over here, but Cannonball and Claxton,
Staple number 4 in this contest.
Now wrapping him up here. Oh, that's a carpet strip if you can't see it, and just rips at the flesh.
Here, Jimmy.
Oh, right on the chest. And it looks like another alliance has been made. They're brothers in pain at this point.
Jimmy Lyon's got a handful of Conor Claxton's blood. Conor Claxton is a mess.
So there's 6 total at this point. 6 total. There's 3 in Claxton, 3 in Jimmy Lyon, and I believe Cannonball has gotten away right now. But a kick right to the midsection is Claxton and Cannonball are, if you
Careful what you wish for.
and he is.
Oh my God!
Oh no!
Into the carpet. Oh my God! It's a sentence I never thought I'd say.
A curb stomp into the carpet. Say that 5 times fast if you're playing along at home.
Oh my God.
And Claxton, if he was already in a bad way, just gushing blood at this point.
Not cool.
Oh, Claxton does not look good for sure.
Fuck, babe.
And now it looks like Lyon. Big shot.
Yeah, you want to talk about a big shot? Look at what Jeff Cannonball just did.
Lyon is trying.
Come on, Jimmy.
Oh, just choking him in the corner. And that's a lot of weight to be putting on the throat there. Now Cannonball going for the Cannonball. Oh, and Claxton. Oh, This looks like, oh no, a tree of woe with a cannonball!
Good Lord.
Now Claxton has lost a significant portion of his blood here.
Connor, come on, Connor!
He looks like a war
So
victim.
it looks like the Passion of the Christ, for crying out loud. Pontius Pilate is not present, though, to wash his hands of this matter. Cannonball now got tired of beating on Claxton, goes and gets Lyon. Lyon a bit quicker on the trigger there. Oh!
Jimmy Lyon finally
But he's got to find
finding a way here. The first couple garbage can shots didn't really work in his favor. That one certainly did.
And it did turn the tide here. Conor Claxton from the burning town of Centralia. Oh, just a straight shot there. That was more out of instinct, out of survival. Now what's he doing? Oh! Was that where I thought it was?
Yeah, it was in his dick.
He just got a staple
To the dick.
well,
Balls pushing the gusset plates into the forehead of Jeff Cannonball.
oh no! That sick bastard!
He's gonna slice his own tongue open. Something that Jimmy Lyon knows all about.
And he is totally in control. And that was number 7.
Yeah, okay.
Well, it's 4 on Claxton, it's 3 on Lyon, so we're at 7. Oh, well, this is actually a very smart move. And that's number 8. That's the first one on Cannonball. That's number 9. So there's 4 more.
I'm going to give myself $1 right now. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
And Cannonball still ring awareness. He's like a blind. Oh, and an elbow.
Oh no.
But he's gonna get. Oh.
I don't know what to make of this team.
I don't know either.
I mean, I know this is the kind of action that's right up my alley, but even still, seeing it transpire in front of your eyes, it's just something else, man.
And that was a hip toss, and on the way down, he made a kick him in the small of the back. And this will be, if he does get it. Oh, right on the stomach. It's number. Oh, he's saying it's only 2. My count's completely off here. That's why I'm not an official.
You wanted this, Jimmy, you got it! What's the score? Jimmy, it's your idea. Shut up!
I know we're at 10 overall, I believe, is a count.
Possibly. My count could have been off on Jimmy, but that's... Oh, and his tongue was stapled on the turnbuckle. And his tongue...
I think it was his bottom lip, Dean.
The bottom lip?
Yeah. Which makes it even kind of more gross.
What's he doing?
Time to come back. Ow! Friggin' stapled myself. Now I'm missing.
Jimmy Lyon getting the upper hand here after a series of maneuvers. We just let you hear it for yourselves. Jimmy Lyon now has The staple, he wants $1.
There you go. Give me $1.
I swear, that sounded like somebody throwing a cantaloupe on a marble floor. I have never heard a human head make that noise.
Oh.
Three for Cannonball. Three.
Okay, so we have 3, 2, and
Come on, Jeff. That's some high money now, are you?
we unfortunately don't have the count here. How could we keep track with all this carnage anyway? Jimmy Lyon.
I ain't done yet. Is that non-negotiable?
Jimmy Lyon, I'm not sure what. Kicks him right in the face. Jimmy Lyon's taking his. Here's me unlacing. I'm not sure exactly what Jimmy Lyon is doing here, but he is wasting some time as Cannonball. You can see he's recovering at this point. And now, he just throws the trash can at Claxton in the other corner.
This is what happens, ladies and gentlemen. You gotta make him smell your feet. When you don't have brains.
Now, Jimmy is
Unlacing his boot all the way, it looks like.
Why would he be doing this? I guess he wanted to use the boot as a weapon. And he is very effectively. But
Staple his foot!
oh,
Man. In the back of the head.
Take your shoes off! Submission time! Because I know how to wrestle. Yeah, we get it.
and he has, it's really a type of a knee bar that he has applied. Probably not the smartest thing to do since you can't win by submission.
Wait a second.
No! He just stapled the bottom of his foot. Claxton seems to have fully recovered. Oh, the blood just pouring down Claxton. I'm not sure if Jimmy Lyon can recover at all.
One more time!
Oh, no, not again. Oh, just a straight shot right to the stomach, followed by a headbutt from Jimmy Lyon.
It's funny, you little green bitch.
Oh! Jimmy Lyon is really upset here. Using that staple gun for extra measure, going after both of them.
That's one way to use a staple
I
gun.
don't need pants to win this match.
He doesn't need pants, people.
Certainly a sight to behold.
I don't know why he turned his back on his opponents here. Not the smartest maneuver, especially with these two opponents. Oh!
Give me a chair. Stick his pants over 10.
Jeff Cannonball going and getting a chair. Oh no. We've seen this before in other promotions, and he is shifting his way.
Jimmy Lyon might have just saved his own life there.
Thank God he shifted his way, or that could have just been his career.
One more time, Connor. One more time.
And now Cannonball taking the opportunity. He didn't get one. He did not get one.
Come on, Connor, kill him.
Cannonball shouting instructions. Oh!
That was bad for both men.
Folded like an accordion, Jimmy Lyon, but like you said, dead. Oh, just using that as a weapon again.
Jimmy, you wanted this. You You're going down!
And this is a smart maneuver in a match like this to wear down your opponent. Oh, just used it, got out of the sleeper hold. Kick to the midsection.
Oh! Michinoku driver on the much larger Jeff Cannonball.
And that was number 13.
Ladies and gentlemen, on the match, 19 minutes, 2 seconds for the winner, Conor Claxton.
Conor Claxton outlasting Jimmy Lyon in his debut and Jeff Cannonball. The Reds victorious again. For Jimmy Lyon, he wants a microphone. Jimmy Lyon looks really upset. He's got a few things to say.
Apparently this douchebag does. Ladies and gentlemen, I just want to point out that Jimmy Lyon still hasn't been beaten in OnPoint Wrestling. Jeff Cannonball has. You know what's so heartbreaking about you, Cannonball? You can be a monster. You can have potential. Instead, you listen to these goddamn fans. Instead, you're nothing but a loser. Who's gonna go shake hands with the guy that just humiliated you again.
Oh, yeah.
Fuck you, Jimmy.
The way I see it, you shouldn't give respect to a man that has no self-respect. You, Conor Claxton, are the singles.
Use the red.
Oh, what is this? Jeff Cannonball attacking Claxton! Was this set up by Jimmy Lyon? Jimmy Lyon, it looks like he has a...
Everyone's hoping you yet. Wait up. Hold on. Let me get my pants.
Jimmy Lyon grabbing his pants. He made a big impact here, apparently.
Just set in.
Oh, just spit in his face. Oh, but it looks like Jimmy Lyon has a new friend.
Awkward.
Conor Claxton slowly getting back up. Claxton's going to need some help to get out of there. He doesn't want any.
Done with that part? Right there. Probably that's a bottle.
Save for tomorrow.
That's where you can drop.